Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing interrupts the process. Make sure your Samsung is charged above 20% and unlocked. You'll need the original USB cable for stable connection. Open Settings and go to About Phone, then find Build Number. Once you see Build Number, tap it 7 times quickly to enable developer options. You'll see a short countdown and a message saying you're now a developer. This step exposes the menus required to turn on USB debugging. Now you enable developer options and activate USB debugging. Go back to Settings and enter Developer Options. If it's not visible, use the Settings search box. Scroll down until you find USB debugging and toggle it on. The toggle can be near debugging or networking sections depending on one UI version. When the confirmation dialog appears, read the warning and tap Allow to permit debugging. Once done, the device will accept ADB connections while the toggle remains enabled. Finish by connecting and verifying the connection. Plug the phone into your computer with the cable. Choose File Transfer if a USB mode prompt appears. On the PC run a DB devices, you should see your device listed or an RSA fingerprint prompt on the phone. Tap Always Allow for this computer, then confirm. A DB devices will show your serial. If the device isn't detected, make sure drivers are installed, try a different cable or USB port, and toggle USB debugging off and on again as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.